Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out two VR link cables, both made by AMVR. We are checking out the previous version, the LC6L, and we're checking out the new version, the LC6. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see here, both had very similar packaging. We have our user manuals for each of them. The LC6L here comes with our two little wire management tools. I'm going to show you how to install those in just a minute. We have our USB-C port that's going to plug into your Quest 3 or 3S or whatever VR headset you are using. And then on the other side, we have a USB-C cable, but it is just an adapter and it could be a USB-A head as well. Very nice that the adapter is just built right in, because then you don't have to buy one and it's just always attached right there. Very convenient to use. The cord itself is a very nice braided material. You can see it flexes very easily and it's going to stand the test of time for sure. If we look at the new LC6, similar in design, what it comes with here, all our various pieces here. Let's just get this all undone. Comes with our two cable management pieces, just like the other one did. Again, we'll show you how to attach those in just a minute. We have our USB-C port that is going to plug into your VR headset. On the opposite side, very similar to the LC6L, we have a USB-C adapter here that you can use if you need to. The biggest difference with this one is this extra piece right here. Now this is the fast charging piece and what allows you to keep your headset charged when you are actually gaming. What you need to do with this is you need to take your charging cable for your Quest. So I've just got here my Quest charging cable. I'm going to plug this into a power outlet here. There we go. Old extension cord here. Maybe I shouldn't use an old one. I've got that plugged in. You are then going to take that and plug it in here. And now you can see that we've got power there. What this is going to allow you to do is allow your headset to charge while you are playing, instead of that battery slowly decreasing still as you're going down. Just going to unplug that for a moment here. With the previous LC6L, this one isn't meant to charge and play at the same time. It is just for data transfer for PCVR, and so you will be losing battery percentage if you're just using this one. But with their new LC6, with an 18-watt charger or higher, that's going to keep your Quest charged or charging as you are playing, and still have a link cable for data transfer, so you can do PCVR and not have any lag, but also not have your headset die. Very useful to use. So let's go through a little bit how to install these things, and then we'll keep on going with this. So here I've got my MetaQuest 3S, and I've got the AMVR BS1 head strap on there. It doesn't really matter which head strap you're using. The theory and the actual applying of what we are doing here will work for everything. So here we have these on. They're already attached onto the cable for me. If yours aren't by chance, let's take one off here so you can kind of see what we need to do here. It's going to look like this. You need to just wrap the small part first around the cable and then through that little hole and let it tighten there. That's how you're going to apply it to there. With this one, I'm going to wrap this first cord around right here. Hopefully you can see all that. Nice and close to where this needs to be inserted. Let's insert that right now as well. That's going to keep that nice and sturdy there. But it's important to also do the second one a little bit further back, just to give it some extra support as well. So again, depending on what type of head strap you're using, will determine where you can actually place those. I'm just going to place it here and here, but that is how you can go ahead and put those on. And it is important to have that, so you have that support there. All right, so I did have a chance to test both of these out. Used them with my PC, played some PCVR games. Both of them, I didn't have any problems with connection, didn't have any problems with speed. They worked very well. Each of them are 16 feet long. Depending on what you're doing, 16 feet should be enough. Hopefully with PCVR, hopefully you're not doing anything that's crazy further than that. If you are, then maybe you need some type of extension or some type of longer cord, but 16 feet is the standard, because when you get more than that, then that's where data transfer lag can happen. Both of them are braided material. Now that's really important in my opinion. I've tested quite a few different VR link cables from other companies, and none of them have been this braided material. This means it is very flexible. You're not going to have any interruptions in data transfer because of kinks or things happening in the cable there. It works very well. It flows, it doesn't get tangled as easily. So I really do like that both of these have gone with the braided material. I've tested a previous AMVR one as well that wasn't braided. So I'm glad even with the LC6L that one is braided, and with their newest one, the LC6, definitely braided is awesome. Charging, it worked just as advertised. It kept my headset fully charged, and when I played a little bit without PCVR, without the link cable, just to drain my battery a little bit, and then I plugged this one in with a fast charger, it was able to actually increase that percentage and charge it while I was playing. Make sure you do have a higher wattage charger if you want it to do that. If you're just starting at 100% though, and you have the regular meta charger, you'll be fine at keeping it at that 100% level there. Little adapter for each, super nice to have, just a little addition that makes it that much better. And the little link cable management tools work well between them as well. Price point for the LC6, the newer one, we're looking at $26 on Amazon, $27 on their website. For the LC6L, it's $21 on each. Make sure you don't accidentally purchase the old one, because they have the old one, but it's not braided. It's not quite as nice as these new ones. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan on the AMVR website to get 10% off as well. If you got any questions about these two, please let me know. More than happy to help you out in any way that I can. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.